A room is divided into two ways, mathematically and aesthetically. The first way is to determine the actual measurements of your room. Start by measuring all of your walls, the height and the length, the width of your windows, the height of your windows, the height and the length of your doors. The walls around the windows and doors are perfect areas to display an accent cabinet or chair. After you've determined the size of your walls, then you tape off and determine what your main walkway is from the entry of your room. This will create a smooth traffic flow throughout your space. That particular walkway is typically 3 feet in width. You want to maintain that 3-foot width so you have enough space throughout your room. The secondary walkway is the space between your furniture, sofa and coffee table, accent chairs, dining table, and sideboard. That space is typically 1.5 feet. You want to create space in these areas so that you don't purchase furniture that is too big for your space. So the best way to determine how much space you have is to do these measurements. Once you have determined what those measurements are, you will then be able to look for furniture that best fits your seating areas. The second way to divide a room is aesthetically. If you're in an open floor plan, lighting, accent wall covering, as well as rugs, aesthetically can divide a room. I would like to suggest that if you are in an open floor plan, that you keep the aesthetic of one side of the room to the other very similar so that the design aesthetic flows seamlessly throughout the space. If you are dividing up a space, whether it's in a house or an open floor plan, you want to select lighting that complements each other from one space to the next. This again will offer a seamless look throughout the design. Your rugs, they can be of similar color and style, but maybe a different texture or a different pile height. The best way to define a seating area in a large room is to create an accent wall with either tile cladding, wall covering, or monochromatic paint color. Wall covering is one of my favorite ways of accenting a wall in a room. There are so many beautiful and well-made wall covering options today that you just can't go wrong with covering your wall.